Thought I'd seen it all till I saw you. London in the fall and Paris too. And I've climbed hills to castles in the snow. But you I can't let go. Thought I'd found everything till I found you. But I was lost at sea and I never knew. You take me places where the winds don't blow, so I won't let go. The fire and stone in places unknown. I'll never let go. I'll never let go. Thought I knew my way till I found you. But you took me to a place I never knew. So take my hand into the great unknown, and I'll never let go. The fire and stone in places unknown. I'll never let go. I'll never let go. The fire and stone in places unknown. I'll never let go. I'll never let go. I thought I'd seen it all till
Dang, you look good.
Whoa, you ready? Oh no.
Yeah, I'm ready.
London in the fall and Paris too.
Family members, loved ones, and dear friends, we welcome and thank you for being here to support the next chapter of life for Jasmine and Kevin. Many of you have traveled far to celebrate the new beginning of their journey together. Thank you for being here. Now let's begin. What you have accomplished here today is no small feat. If you know their story, you know these two were young and building a future was not on their minds yet. But I believe that it was destiny that brought these two back to each other. 15 minutes led to a stroll along the lake, spaghetti date nights, and stargazing. Soon, days turned into months, then years, and you two have created a life full of adventure, welcoming each other's families, communities, lifelong friends, and don't forget my boy Marlo. The day your story began, you both shown up to support and help each other grow. You make each other laugh when the chips are down. You both have taught each other that life is to be enjoyed and filled with fun. Marriage brings hard days, just as they bring beautiful ones. Like your mom said, Jasmine, it's a lot of giving. It's one of the most selfless things you will do. This day is a reminder of what you two have already accomplished and all the adventures you will experience and overcome in the many, many years ahead of you. Today, the bride and groom have prepared their own vows to share.
Kevin, how can I summarize all the things that I feel for you? When I hear a love song, when I read a happy ending, when I see an orange sunset, I think of you. You make it easy to love you. You know how to listen to others, and you're the one people trust. You're the one we all confide in. You are smart, and you always seek to find answers or learn something new. You challenge me to think differently and to understand other perspectives, but my favorite thing about you is that you are always true to yourself. You hold firm to your values, and I have always admired that. You understand me best, and there's nothing I cherish more than the nights we just lay and talk for hours. You have been my friend, my boyfriend, my fiance, and after today, I can finally call you my husband. And in a universe with endless possibilities, I'm so happy that every decision has led me here to this moment with you.
To my beloved sweet flower, I want to express how much you mean to me and how honored I am to be standing here pledging my love and commitment to you. All of our adventures and wonderful experiences we shared, I owe to you. You showed me that life is to be enjoyed and that love is to be cherished. With you by my side, every moment is filled with joy, laughter, and the warmth of your love. Today, as we stand here, ready to make our vows, I know that the feeling I had at Tenney Park was the beginning of a love that will last a lifetime. As we enter this new chapter together, I vow to always be there when you need me. I vow to cherish and honor our love and to make every day together as joyful as possible.
By the power vested in me by the state of Wisconsin, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss.
Jasmine, Kevin, I love you both, and I'm deeply honored to be a part of your special day. Truly, I am overwhelmed with joy for you lovebirds, and I am delighted to see my brother marry the girl he has shown me a picture of all those years ago. I wish nothing but love, laughter, and endless happiness for your marriage and lives. I look forward to eventually becoming an uncle to your children. Let's only hope they get Jasmine's looks.
Thank you for always being there for me, reaching out when you know I'm not doing well, loving me when I couldn't love myself, loving me more when making my days better by just being with you. And most importantly, thank you for being my safe space. I love you so much. Anyone that meets Kevin and Jazz know that they are the life of the party. Their radiant energies light up the room, and they both can easily become your best friend and your favorite couple. Kevin, you're Jazz's rock, and Jazz, you're Kevin's peace of mind. You guys are truly meant for each other, and I love you guys so much. To Kevin and Jazz, I wish you both a lifetime of happiness.